Welcome back. Let's solve this third problem under solution of first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation using the idea of integrating factor. Of course, this form is a normal form of integrating factor, right? The normal form of the fourth method, which is we said it's y dx plus u of x y equals v of x. The real problem here is that I'm having y prime. So note that y prime is same thing as what? The y over dx. Retransform this. This gives you y prime gives you the y over dx. That is this pattern with this pattern plus so plus. It's not always plus, it can be negative, please, but in this case it's plus. So plus here gives you y cot x. Similarly, y u of x in this case is what? Is cot x. So that's u of x. So equal to u cos x, which is what your v. From here we said first task, get u of x. So u of x gives you what the term attached to y. This is y and cot x. It can be any way. This y, what's attached to is cot x. That gives you cot x. That's it, please. Bringing in the idea of what? if equals exponential integral of what? U of x here is what? Cot x. Of course, with respect to what the dx. Let me integrate cot x with respect to the x and see and put the answer here. So if will be equal to what? Exponential. Let's go and integrate this separately. If I have the integral of cot x dx, I want to integrate this. What do? My very first task is that go back to trigonometry, please. Know that cot theta is what? Let me use x in this case. Cot is x. Know that cot x is what? Cos x over sine x. This is from trig identity. Don't cram. Trig identity. Right? So this can be expressed as what? The integral of cot x now is what? Cos x over sine x with respect to what there? Dx. My task now is let u to be equal to what there? Sine x. Differentiate u with respect to x. That gives you the u dx equals, if I differentiate sine x, of course I'll have what there? I'll have cos x. You should know that before now. Make the x subject. From here, the x equals what there? The u over sine x. Sorry, over cos x, please. Over cos x. I made this x, the x subject. Just swap. This one comes here, this one goes here. The x, the u over the cos x. Substituting. This is called, what I'm doing here is called substitution method of integration. Substitution method of integration. What I'm doing here. You should know this before now. Alright. That gives you the integral of cos x over sine x. Sine x is u. That gives you u dot dx. Dx is what? Du over cos x. This man cancel this. What am I having left? I'm having the integral of 1 over u dot du. This gives you, if I integrate 1 over u, that gives you ln u. And what is u? U is what? Sine x. So that gives me ln sine x. That's it, please. So it means if I integrate cos x over sine x with respect to the x, I'll have ln sine x. Or if I integrate cot x with respect to the x, I'll have ln sine x. So it means that from here, this gives you ln sine x. After integrating this, I have this. So copy the procedure down, please. From here, if will now be equal to what there? Sine x. Why? I just showed you in our previous example that if I have exponential ln something, that something becomes your answer. I'll show you the proof to it. In our previous example, last example, I'll show you the proof to it. Alright. From here, I'll multiply through the question by what? Integrating factor. So multiply by integrating factor. Multiply by what there? if, integrating factor. That gives you sine x first, so sine x into this one here gives you dy dx plus y cot x. All right, is equal to sine x. I have sine x into 2 cos x. All right, we're here. Expanding, please, expanding, what do we get? So I'll take this one off, take this one off, take this one off. So that gives you sine x times dy by the x. That gives you sine x dy dx plus this times this, sine x times this gives you sine x y cot x. Cot x is equal to sine x times 2 cos x. That gives you 2 sine x cos x. All right. We said no matter how this man is looking complex, the idea is simple. That gives you the derivative of product of y dot integrating factor. That's what we said. This is now equal to what there? 2 sine x cos x. From here, this becomes d over x into y dot if is what there? Sine x. That gives you sine x equals 2 sine s cos x. All right. From here, what next there? If I have 2 sine s cos x, 2 sine s cos s can be expressed as um so there's a trick identity that we need to use here. This gives you d over the x into y dot sine x equals from here we're going to apply a trick identity here, right? So sine 2x. So note that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine s cos x. This is a trick identity. So note that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine s cos x. So if I'm seeing 2 sine s cos x, it can be replaced as what there? Sine 2x, right? That's from trig functions. So take this dx here. That gives you d into y dot sine x equals sine 2x with respect to this dx has come here. So I have the x here. Next task is getting through. That gives you the integral of d into y dot sine x is equal to the integral of what? Sine 2x with respect to dx. All right. We said integral cancel differential. That gives you y dot sine x equals, how do I integrate this? Integral of sine 2x dx. What do I do? So let me pick it out and solve and put the answer here. So let's solve it here and put the answer here. So let me show you the workings and the solution to that. So look up, please. Let's look at this one alone and solve separately. If I have the integral of sine 2x with dx, right? It's simple as we said, let u to be equal to what there? 2x. The u dx gives you 2, right? All right, 2. Make the subject. The x gives you du over 2. At this point here, substituting, That gives you the integral of sine u, right? Sine u now, sine u, because 2x is now u, sine u dot. The x gives you the u over 2. Bring out this 2 outside. That gives you 1 over 2 integral of what? Sine u, right? If I integrate sine u, of course, I'll have what there? I'll have negative cos u. That gives you 1 over 2 into what? Negative cos u. But what is u? U is 2x. So it means that if I integrate sine 2x with respect to the x, that gives me minus cos 2x over 2 minus times 1 minus cos u, that gives you minus cos u is what? 2x over this 2. So if I integrate this, I have what? Negative cos 2x over 2. Of course, I add what? Plus c to it. All right. Next task is to divide both sides by sine x to get y. Right? To get y. So divide by sine x, divide by sine x to get the value of y. Copy this down and let's proceed, please. Copy this one here down and let's proceed. So I just do a quick solving somewhere here so I can see the value there, right? All right, let's proceed. From here, this gives you y sine x all over sine x equals negative cos 2x over 2 sine x to everything, plus c over sine x. All right. So this one here, cancel this. What's value of y? Y is now equal to, is proper for positive to start before, is proper for positive to always start an answer than negative. So copy this one out first. That gives you c over sine x minus cos 2x over 2 sine x. This is the value to that particular question. This is how you solve this particular question, applying the concept of solution of first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. This is the concept of integrating factor. See you guys in our next example.
Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue, Let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Hold on, before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you.